we put the bubble remover spray. Now essentially we're going to go through and we're just going to pressure wash a lot of that off. So it's not sticking to your car. It is like a heavy liquid serum almost it looks like. So you don't want any of that on your car. And same thing for the tires. We're just going through it as you can see. Just making them look clean. See how clean those look. After you let it sit, it kind of cleans it and you just go through. If my rims weren't extremely dirty, obviously, if someone's rims are extremely dirty, we're going to try to tell them, hey, you know, your rims are pretty dirty. Would you like us to give them a good clean? You know, that's the upgrade, essentially. We'll see where they go. See what they say from there. But like this is just a quick rim clean, and essentially this will clean your rims really, really good. But it, like if you're heavy on like dust, brake dust, and stuff of that nature, this won't be the trick. So you can see. Pull this a little bit closer so I can get all the way. So you can kind of see. And obviously I hit it with a wheel shine. I'm sure it's like it is. All right, and that's it. And then we're gonna rinse this again, and then we're gonna fully do the. After fully rinsing the car with the pressure washer, then you gotta get all those little areas, and windows and things of that nature. We're not gonna give it a dry down. What we're gonna do now is set up the soap can, which is all set up over here. So you can see that's it. So I use half and half water, just so it's not too bubbly or too much. Just to save it a little bit, but essentially we're going to connect that to the gun. All right, now you know what time it is. You see, I got this kind of hooked up. I'm trying to record while showing you guys. I have the smaller gun, just so you can kind of see. I'm gonna stop recording. Alright, just clay bar. As you can see, a lot of dirt in there. And I use this stuff right here, clay looper. And we're gonna polish and get those little scratches out. That's the one I use.